Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware. Check Asrock BIOS build and save a settings profile before changing anything. Next, disable fast boot and verify SATA mode. Switch to OSI only if your system uses it. This prevents boot errors. Make a Windows recovery USB now so you can restore if needed. Once done, locate secure boot options and ensure you have a platform key (PK) backup. This lets you re-enable keys without losing boot access later. Now you configure secure boot properly. Reboot into Uefi and set boot mode to Uefi only, not legacy or CSM, because Valorant's anti-cheat requires Uefi secure boot. Load default keys and then manually enroll the platform key if Asrock cleared keys earlier. This preserves Microsoft compatibility. If drivers complained, add the key exchange keys, KEK, for third-party modules. Once keys are present, enable secure boot, save, and reboot. This sequence finish by booting into Windows and confirming the secure boot state in system information. Do Windows Update and run sfc/scano to repair any integrity issues caused by boot changes. Reinstall Riot Vanguard if Valorant still refuses to run. It often needs re-registration after secure boot toggles. If the system won't boot, power down and clear CMOS, then restore your BIOS profile or use the recovery USB to recover keys. One key troubleshooting tip. If Vanguard reports kernel driver errors, recheck enrolled keys and switch off driver signature overrides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.